In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to quickly get into your Webflow project, add a clickable area, and place an icon inside it, using the exact interface elements shown on screen. Start by opening your browser and searching for Webflow on Google. Click the official Webflow result to head to the platform. This route is handy if you're not already signed in or you're starting fresh from a new tab. Once you're on the Webflow site and at your dashboard, find your project and click View Site. This is a quick way to jump into your project context so you can confirm you're looking at the right build before making changes. Now, inside the project interface, look for the plus icon. Click the plus to open the Add panel. This panel is where you'll find elements you can place on the page, and using it keeps your workflow fast and consistent. At the top of that panel, there's a search field. Type highlight into the search. Using the search bar is a great shortcut when you already know the name of what you're looking for or you're filtering results to move faster. From the filtered results, click Link Block. A link block is a versatile container. Anything you place inside becomes part of a single clickable area, perfect for buttons, cards, or icons that should take users somewhere. After inserting it, click on Highlight on your canvas. Selecting the highlight area ensures you're focusing your next actions in the correct spot, whether you're positioning content next to it or preparing to nest new elements where they belong. With your target selected, add content to the new link block by clicking the small plus for image. This opens up the choice to insert visual content inside the clickable area, which is a common pattern for icon links or visual callouts. When the asset picker appears, click. Choose image to use as an icon. Pick an image that reads clearly at small sizes. Simple SVGs or transparent PNGs tend to work well. Keep file sizes modest to help performance, and consider visual consistency so the icon feels at home with your site's typography and colors. That's the flow. You searched for Webflow, entered your project, opened the Add panel with the plus, filtered by typing highlight, inserted a link block, targeted the highlight area on the page, added an image, and chose the icon you want to use. Follow these steps whenever you need a clean, clickable icon block in Webflow, and you'll keep your build organized, accessible, and easy to update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.